Hi everyone, welcome back to Armcandy. I hope you're all okay. We are back today with this beautiful Givenchy. It's a Givenchy soft shoulder in this amazing squishy black leather. It is stunning. I absolutely love this. I will show you the features. So you've got this top handle here, lovely slouchy style. You've got a top closure with magnetic pressed fasten. And inside you have got this big open space. You have got one zipped pocket. And then on the other side, you've got one flat pocket as well. I'll come back and show you the sizing of it as well. I'm about 5'4" and a UK size 8 for reference, but all the exact measurements will be on the website. So if you click the link in the description, it will take you straight to this on our website where you can see all the details about it. If it doesn't take you straight to this, I'm afraid that doesn't mean that it has sold, but fear not, we have a request list. So if you're after anything in particular, get in touch, get in on our request list, and we will let you know when we get one in. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell so you get alerts when we post new videos. And also, don't forget to sign up to our newsletter for 5% off your first Armcandy purchase. It comes with the Givenchy dust bag, the Givenchy product tag, and the care card as well. And condition, it's in a really lovely condition. We've called it good condition throughout. Really, really nice condition. I'll show you why we called it good on the exterior. The corners are in an amazing condition, and in general, it is just lovely. It has got that more sort of worn look just to it being so squishy, but you've got a couple of little marks just there, and then you've got another one just there as well. So that's why we've called that good. Same with the interior. The interior is in a lovely condition. You can just tell that it has been used. You can just see that it is a pre-loved bag. And the exact same with the hardware. Hardware is in good condition. You've got some really lovely hardware. There's no big marks or scratches, and the exterior hardware is still that lovely cool gold colour. But you can just tell that it has been used and has had a life before. You've got these studs on the bottom, and they're actually in a lovely condition. They've only got minor scratching to them. So yeah, this is a really cool little bag, and it's in a really nice condition. So if you love it, check it out on our website. The link is in the description, and we will see you soon with some more Armcandy.